Okay, so welcome back to our next screencast. This time we're still on activity 7.1, which is dimensioning, and now we're going to do part 3 of activity 7.1. In this one, we're going to be featuring the coordinate method of dimensioning. So let's get started. As you can see, I already have my title block drawing up. Make sure yours is blank, and then we will bring in our part. So I'm going to go to base, and I'm going to find 7.1 number 3, datum. So we're going to use datum dimensioning here, but we're also going to feature the coordinate method. So let's go ahead and bring this in. Right now the scale is 1 to 1. That's a little big, so I'm going to drop that down to half. And let's work with that. So bring that front view in, raise up for the top view, and then over to the right for the side view. Everything looks okay there. So I'm going to hit OK. Now, notice again we have some hidden lines, and we also have some angles now. So this is where the coordinate part of our datum dimensioning comes in. So again, I'm going to start with annotate, and I'm going to hit the dimension tool. And this time I'm going to work my way across still. So I'm going to grab my left line, but since it's datum, I'm going to start with everything from that left line. So bring that up to that point. I'm going to hit OK. Go to the left line again. Go to the next point. I'm going to hit OK. And then I'm going to go to my center point, or actually this center line here, and bring that up. Now, notice how we have the 1.77, and we've just been hitting OK for now. Well, this time I want to add a little bit of an annotation because I want to be able to show exactly where the coordinate dimensioning is. So I'm just going to mark C for emphasis that is the coordinate dimensioning. So when you get to a coordinate dimensioning of an angle, just mark the letter C on a few of them so that I know that you understand what dimensions we're looking for. So I'm going to work my way across, always starting from the left side because that's datum, and I'm going to work all the way across to there. Now notice how I'm stacking them from least to greatest. That makes for a nice clean dimension part of my drawing. So then I'm going to grab my vertical, and in this case there's only one horizontal line, and I'm going to zoom in because I don't want the green dot, and then I'm going to hit OK and zoom back out. So I've done the front view for you again, and so at this time pause the video, pause the screencast, and then you will be responsible for the top and the side views. Okay, welcome back. Now to finish up, let's go to our base view, bring in our part again, which is number 3, datum, and I'm going to hit open, and I'm going to go to my home view and move that over, and I'm going to hit OK, so that way I get an ISO. Now, it didn't come in shaded, so I'm going to go back to edit view, hit shaded, and that way it's colored. Last step, as always, is to change my field text. So this one is called 7.1 number 3, and we'll call it coordinate. And the scale here is 1/2. So hit OK. And then I'm going to go to save as, because remember, I want to keep my title block in place. So I'm going to save that in my Unit 7 teacher resources, 7.1, number 3. And then I'm finished. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.